stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reverse.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome once more on the Betong's Crypto, your famous channel where you go and get amazing, awesome news in the crypto space. You go to get offers, signals, knowledge, education, name it. Today, I want us to do what I always love to do, eliminate the noise and focus on what the market is saying, following market structure, looking at other opportunities out there that we can keep making that profit. Remember, we are here to make profit. We are here to build wealth gradually. We are not here to rush things. We are not here running from something. We are here because we want to accumulate these assets and make massive profit from it. If you see big institutions like BlackRock, Grayscale, and the rest going forward to acquire lots of bitcoins every day, and you see their rich clients as well accumulating bitcoin, what does this tell you? It all boils down to the fact that this is one asset that everyone is scrambling to get. So when you are in this market, you should understand that you are fighting or you are playing with the big guys, the guys who have lots of money, and you need to build some sort of or create some sort of strategy that will help you, take advantage when they pour in that money in the market. And today, I want us to look at different tools out there, like crypto bubbles. We're gonna look at also coin market cap and look at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing, and look at those coins that are doing well. And I'm gonna show you guys how I go about looking for coins. I love to say this. Like, if say you don't understand what you're doing in this industry, then you are gonna be way back, and before you realize it, you've made money, lose money, and you are back to square one. And I don't want that to happen to you. You know. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the Betong Crypto. If say you are new here, you're welcome. If say you are a returning OG, you're welcome. As always, go and smash the subscribe button. If say you haven't yet subscribed, and if say you haven't yet liked the stream, go and like the stream as well. That's the least you can do. I always want to insist, that you do all this. And those of you who haven't yet followed me on Twitter, you should go and follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter. It's very important. I want to have most of you here with me. Let me go out to Twitter straight away so you can see my Twitter, and be part of that. So this is my Twitter, the Betong. Just go there, connect with me, and I'm gonna connect with you as well. Okay. Having said that, guys, let's dive into the source of today. This is crypto bubbles, and we are now on the top 100 coins. And you can see these are the coins that are doing so well today. Everything is like the movement today is kind of like normal. We're not seeing extraordinary 50% upside, or maybe we're not seeing like 80% like what we have been seeing with the top 100 coins. Of course, we can see that maybe other coins have been doing like from the top 200. We might maybe see some coins that are doing so well, like 80%. Let me see if we can find any doing so well in the space. Let's see. No, we are now at the top 400. Let's see if we can find some of them doing so well. Okay, only PHB is up 50%. So we can see we're not doing that much in the space when it comes to this low cap. Let's see the top 500 coins, what is going on there. Yeah, nothing actually is happening, and it's because of this. Bitcoin actually isn't doing anything at all. So when Bitcoin isn't doing anything at all, then it's but obvious that most of these altcoins are not going to be doing anything as well. Bitcoin is just moving along this range here, and this is a very strong resistance, and price is above the value area high, meaning Bitcoin can move upward from where it is right now. Don't think as if Bitcoin is actually stagnant there. Bitcoin is not stagnant. Where Bitcoin is right now, Bitcoin can actually move back towards I think about $69,000, right? But before we even dive into the TA for today, I want us to, first of all, look at what is going on with the total crypto market cap. You can see right now we are sitting at 2.5 trillion, almost 2.6 trillion, because this is 2.57 trillion, and Bitcoin is is growing in market cap 1.3 billion, no, 1.3 trillion. Say billion. And also we can see the fear and greed index here is at 88, and if we look at the Bitcoin halving is at 442, what am I even saying, 42 days. 442 days. Some people might get me banned here that I'm trying to take back Bitcoin having this, but it's pretty close, and we expect more volatility in crypto. And most of you who are still struggling of the fact that Bitcoin is going up, you should get used to it. We're gonna see more price or upward movement with Bitcoin. Why? Because of high demand. And if you understand the law of demand and supply, when there's high demand and there's less supply, price is gonna definitely increase. So pay attention to that. And also you can see that Solana has been doing so well. It's up today 13%. It's like Solana and BNB are fighting this foot. Let me just say the third position, because Theta, we cannot consider it as like a coin, because it's way different. It's a stable coin, but now we're talking about these cryptos here, and it seems as if Solana is battling with BNB. They are trying to which one is going to be the winner. Right now we are seeing that the market cap for Bitcoin for BNB is 70 billion, while Solana is 64 billion. So a couple of like 6 billion away. Solana is going to catch up to BNB, but BNB is not stopping. Today alone is up 16%. And we're going to see all these top coins go to their all-time high. No doubt. I think XRP as well is going to do something great. Cardano is coming up gradually. It's just moving up gradually, and Dogecoin is maintaining its reign. Shiba Inu also has catch up to Dogecoin as usual during the last bull market, but it has to do about 138% movement to get towards Dogecoin. So this is pretty damn movement. Yeah. All right, now let's move to the liquidation heat map. For the past 24 hours, 51.36 million has been liquidated. This is short. Those who are playing with leverage, they have like lost 55.36 million, and for Ethereum we have 44.61 million. Others we have long liquidation 22.21 million. Solana alone short liquidation we have 16 million. Pepe we have 9 million. Doge we have 9 million. Sheep 7, and the rest here. And if we go to the ETFs, we're gonna see that the value of the ETF keep increasing. You can see these guys, their holdings keep increasing. It's very important to see that their risk clearance, or anyone out there who understand Bitcoin and couldn't buy Bitcoin, like can get Bitcoin through the ETF. So you can see that many people are getting involved, no doubt. And what I love here is that, like, I think 2 days ago we had minor outflow of about 311 million, and I think it's Grayscale which is transferring Bitcoin to Coinbase to sell it. Today I think they transfer some Bitcoin to sell on Coinbase. I think that's the reason why this outflow is like this. And also you can see that yesterday we didn't have anything much, only 46.71 million get inflow, and today we saw about 965.52 million, which is amazing. Wow, yesterday was just 46 plus 46, and today we have 965.52 million. This should tell you something. This should move the price of Bitcoin somehow. That's why you see Bitcoin is just moving sideways like that. Many people are accumulating Bitcoin, and there's no stopping Bitcoin at all. Now, when we look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that at around 65,000, the market makers can bring price towards that level. That's the area where I see huge liquidation. The liquidation, like the area where there's high liquidity, they can easily bring price to that area. So you guys should pay attention to it. And if say this is going to happen, it can be that catalyst that maybe price is going to bounce from this area and move back straight to the upside. So I'm going to be looking at this area as an area of interest for me to maybe buy some altcoins, because I think maybe if price get here, we're gonna see some bounce back from this area. And if say we look at this let's look at it on the 3 days time frame. Let's see what can happen within the next 3 days for Bitcoin, because it's very important we look at the bigger picture here. For the bigger picture, it shows that it's 50-50. They can bring price back to 65,000 and they can take price to 69,000. So they can do just that. And if we look at the weekly time frame for this, maybe we can find a different data on what Bitcoin can do, or what the market makers can do with Bitcoin. It's always good, as I mentioned, to see where they can drive price. And looking at the next week, I think what I'm seeing here is more upside for Bitcoin, because you see they swipe all this liquidity at this point in time, and I don't see anything. So if say price has to go down, looking at the weekly time frame, I think it's more to the upside first before maybe we can see some sort of liquidation area here, or liquidity area where the market makers can reverse price to. So looking at the weekly time frame for this heat map, I think Bitcoin is bullish, and when we look at the open interest, I'm more happy to see that the open interest is reducing. Before it was so high, you can see so high, but it has been going down, and to an extent, I think maybe we can see it even go more downward. Because if say you have to place a trade right now, the fees are so expensive, to borrow and and trade, because when you are trading futures, you have to borrow from the exchanges, and when the funding rate, the open interest is so high, you pay so much, to trade a particular coin. So that's why I think if open interest is going down, then it's gonna be a bullish signal for me, And let's now dive into like Bitcoin and look at Bitcoin before we go to how we can go about using crypto bubbles to look for the next coin. Now, this is the 4 hours time frame. It's very important what price is doing. I can see that the trendy low actually printed this oversold area, and from this oversold area, Bitcoin bounced back, and I think Bitcoin should head towards the overbought area. And if Bitcoin prints the overbought area when Bitcoin has broken this structure, because this is a strong area of interest for Bitcoin. Let me zoom this a little bit. This is a very important area of interest for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is able to break above this level, stay above this 58 price point, then Bitcoin is gonna go, I think, back to 69,000 and maybe go to 70,000 or 70 something thousand, or maybe 80,000. You can see there is this vector candle here that I think they might, attempt to push price there. They have been trying to push it, but it has been rejecting. And we cannot ignore the fact that this hammer here and also this candle here has been a major setback for Bitcoin price, and Bitcoin should be able to break this area and stay above this value area high before we can expect something really different or awesome to happen with other altcoins. That's why you see coins like they haven't been doing so well, and so on and so forth. Now, this is what I want you guys to understand when it comes to buying any altcoins out there, or any top altcoins that you think can really make you money. You have to look at the bigger picture, like what other coins have done. So the way I go about looking for new coins, on crypto bubbles, finding the top coins, I try to look at coins that are from the top 100 to the top 1000, or usually I stay at the top 500 coins. So what I want to see is if these coins are traded on the exchanges that I am trading, like Binance, OKX, BitGetBrice, Mexi Global, Bybit. So if I see that this coin is in these exchanges, then I'm gonna buy them. So let's say, for example, right now I'm in the market, Bitcoin has dumped. I want to look for a particular coin to buy, or Bitcoin is consolidating. I want to look for a coin to buy that I think maybe can make me massive reward. I go on the bubbles and I look at what coins have been doing for the day, and if say I'm not able to see the data for the day, I try to look at the week, and if I look at the week now, I can see a bigger picture of the coin that have done well within that week and the coins that haven't done well within that week. So the ones that haven't done well within that week, I click on them. For example, Poly, I click on them, to see their past performance, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. For this case, this coin hasn't been doing that much. You can see only today is up 50%, meaning this coin might have started moving to the upside. And if I look at the exchanges, I cannot really see any exchange that I can trade this coin on. So I'm gonna just click on the coin market cap, the logo, to take me to this coin market cap platform where I can look at the markets that are that you can buy this coin from. So you can see that this is more of like Ethereum, so you can buy this on Uniswap, Polynex, and so I think the volume might not be that much. You can see the volume, of course, is just 27,000, so it doesn't have a good volume. So I want to look at the volume. If the volume is above 6 million or 6 million, then I think is gonna be a good coin for me. And look at the market cap, it's just 1 million, which is good, and I think maybe if say I think this is 1 million or 1 billion market cap. I'm not sure if that's correct. 1 billion. I think that's 1 billion I'm seeing there. All right. So I look at all this, and the volume is very important. And I look at if say the coin is found in like an exchange that I can buy. But if it's not found there, I move on and keep doing the same process. I spend hours looking at that coin. And first of all, I have to be honest with you guys. Not every coin you look at is gonna be doing that well. Because at times you can look at a coin that haven't done well, and you rush to think that maybe the coin will do well. Maybe there's something bad is happening with the ecosystem. You might not know. So what you have to understand is, or what you need to do is, go to the chart. For example, if say a coin like this hasn't yet pumped, like let me say, let me look at for another coin. Let me PNG for the week is down 14%. Let me see. Okay, this coin is up for the year 686% for the month. So if it is down 14%, it means that maybe this coin have something. For the week is down 14%, for the day is down 5%. Maybe this coin is cooling off. So I might have an opportunity in this coin, and in this case, I can see that this coin is traded on Mexi Global. I have Mexi Global, so I'm gonna click on that to take me to Mexi Global. So I can to think to coin market cap, so I can see the coin. So this is the coin now on coin market cap. I now scroll down to look at more markets where I can buy the coin. Coinbase exchange. Wow, it means the coin should have volume. Okay, you can see here the volume for the past 24 hours is 6 million. Wow, so it should be a coin that can really give you good gains. If say more investor come on board, they can push the price more to the upside, and you can see the contract is on the Avalanche chain, which is good. So you can scroll down more to check on what they are all about, what they do. Which is pretty important. And after that, you can now go to your chart, to look at this. I'm going to explain to you guys what you need to look at on your chart to be able to determine where price is and where price might head towards. So I'm just gonna go right now and PNG. Let me check on PNG. Let's see. This is on Coinbase. So let's first of all analyze this on Mexi Global. And wow, it shows that. Let me bring in the trendy low. It shows that this coin is, this indicator has resetted. But let me go to the daily time frame because it's important. I see this on the daily time frame. Let me zoom this a little bit. Okay, now this coin has been moving, like as I mentioned, for a long time now. If we go to lower time, we're going to see that this coin has been moving. But there is this vector candle here that I think they might come to recover it, or maybe they won't come to recover it because maybe the players in the game, they are not selling, they are holding so tight. So what I'm going to do is I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from where price started moving to the upside. I put it there and then wait for price at the golden pocket. Now price is exactly at the golden pocket, so I'll say that I want to buy this coin right now. But because I have experience trading these altcoins, I won't just rush to buy this coin. Why? I've seen that this indicator is going towards the oversold area. So because it's going towards the oversold area and has crossed this 0.00 line pointing downward, I think I don't want to get involved right now. I think I should wait a little bit to see if, say, we might see something happen and price move. Remember, this coin has moved so much for the year 6x already. So maybe some investors are taking out profit, which is okay. But now, even though I've done I'm able to think of all this, maybe I would say, okay, let me first of all just get this coin for like maybe 10%. I start DCA. If say price go downward, I'll DCA more, and if say price keep going down, I'm gonna DCA more. And this is gonna be based on the fact that I've realized that the volume is so high, as I mentioned, and also the team behind the project is amazing. So I'm gonna go now also to check out their Twitter, check out what they are doing. If say they have a good community, and also maybe read about what the coin is all about. I haven't even gone through that. What is Pangolin exchange? Pangolin is a multi-chain decentralized cryptocurrency. So this is DeFi, it's DEX, which is okay, it's good. And now I can go to their page on Twitter and check, okay, since this is a DEX, how is the community on Twitter? Do they have active community? Yeah, they have 86.2k. Let's look at the engagement, the tweets. They just tweeted 4 hours ago. They tweeted also, let's see, 4 hours ago, which means they are active on Twitter. So I would say that this is something that is good, and I can go further to look at their Telegram, and if I see that the Telegram is okay, they have people asking questions, I can try to ask some questions from them as well. If say I'm not able to get some answers, then maybe I'm gonna start looking at okay, maybe this is not something for me. But guys, these are all the thought process that I use, and you can use this when the market is bullish and bearish. In the bullish scenario, like during the bull market, you're gonna wait. Like, for example, if you stumble on the coin and you see that the coin has done about, let's say, for example, you see Bonk move like 300x. Now you know that there's more liquidity in the market, and if say the coin retraces to a certain level, more people are going to buy thinking they miss out. So you have to work psychologically what other investors are thinking. So let me just pull the chart of maybe Bonk or Pepe. I think Pepe is going to be a better example because it has been pumping recently. So let's say this is the chart of Pepe, right? And Pepe has been pumping this bad like crazy. On the daily time frame, it's not healthy. I will never buy Pepe at this price, no matter what is going on. Do you know why? Because there's a lot of other coins that are showing more green light to make me. I'm guaranteed to make profit with those altcoins than buying Pepe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is one of the best tool I use on Trading View. I'm gonna take it from this area here, where the price is moving to the upside to the top, and I'm gonna wait to see if say price can get to the golden pocket. If price is not able to go to the golden pocket and price move just like that, it means that price is waiting for all of this moving average down here to come and to reset and move upward. In that case, price can be consolidating, like doing this up and down, up and down, up and down. And in that case, you can see that okay, maybe this level is a strong level that investors are willing to hold, right? But if not, price can do like come down quickly towards this area, trade there a little bit, then that's when you can buy. And by that time, most of these indicators like the 50-day moving average, the Betong moving average must have resetted back to the upside. Then you can buy it, knowing that when you buy it, the upside is going to be really great. And if say price is not able to make higher highs from then you sell it back to where price was. So in essence, you are not going to miss out in anything. You're going to be there to catch the next move. If say there's going to be any, So I want to believe this video is going to be an important video that you can actually focus on. Don't just spend much time watching videos that you will say, okay, this is going to go to 1 million, 10 million, or buy now, don't buy now. Try to watch videos that can educate you on processes that you can use to analyze the market, look at top coins out that can make you profit, avoid falling in love with projects, because if you fall in love with project, you are going to be, caught up in a situation where when Bitcoin is down or the market is down, you might be so scared or so angry at the fact that you are losing money, you are not doing that, you bought this, that's why you need to have, most of your asset in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, so that when the market is falling tremendously, you're going to have an opportunity to buy these coins that are falling really badly at a discount rate, and when price recovers, you're going to make more and balance what you've lost, in the market. Of course, you cannot say you are losing if say you are still in the market, right? And what I'm educating you guys right now, you won't find this in the market, in like most YouTubers are not gonna want to educate you on this. They would like tell you come and be part of a particular program, go and watch my tutorial, go and do this. I'm giving you guys this for free, so you can be part of the fact that you are part of my community, and I genuinely want to see you succeed. That's why if say you really want to be part of my community, you have to go right now, to join my community. The first link, you can go to the description of my videos. You're gonna see connect with me directly to help you in your crypto journey. So this is my link tree. You can also connect with me through Telegram, be part of my Telegram group. This is the Telegram link. Or maybe if say you want to discover my NFT, you can also click on all these links and so on. But guys, these links are going to help you to connect with me somehow and find good information. And those of you who have been watching me for some time now, if for some reasons you want to support this channel, you can just come here and be part of my support group. $3 every month, support my platform. This is still a small channel, and I want to appreciate all of you who have been subscribed to my platform. Right now I have about 4,780, so I'm gonna be looking towards to 5K soon, and I'm appreciate I'm appreciating all of you who have been with me so far, even though at times we don't have so much people doing my live stream. But I want to believe that there are some people who join due to one or two reasons, from a different video, and I have to work hard to create videos that will help them in the space. That's why you see me. I create videos on different stuff, on different topics, because I want to satisfy everyone who is subscribed to my platform. And the end goal here is to help anyone out there to be able to make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. So this is it. I don't have so much more to explain to you or to talk to you. All I can say is that whenever you are trading, make sure you look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin should be your focus. And there are other stuff that I would have shown you. Let me just show you guys, because this is a full tutorial, and I'm gonna recommend you guys to actually get TradingView. And if you want to get TradingView, you can use the description of this video to get TradingView. Like, not the description, like there are links there where you can connect with me. Let me just go there. If say I can find the TradingView link, let me open my link tree. I think on my link tree there's gonna be a TradingView link there. Join this channel to get access to my VIP. Those of you who want to get my VIP, become a patron and get VIP access. Subscribe to my channel. Join my Telegram group. Yeah, the Betong NFT, you can get it here. Join the Betong Crypto Discord server. Okay, book. So if you want to book 15 minutes with me, free call, you can do just that as well. Follow me on X, TikTok. Follow on Facebook. Crypto for Beginners. Okay. Join me on. Okay, I think I don't yet have that there. I want to include that, but again, I'm gonna encourage you to connect with me on join my Telegram group, so that if say you need any link, I can share it with you and you can connect with me on that. But I think TradingView is very important for you to get. And what I wanted to show you guys is this. Like, there's this total 2 and total 3. These are all indicators, or are all indicators that I use to help me understand where I am in the market. Now I'm looking at this chart, saying to myself that I think Ethereum is actually going to be the one to drive the price of this total 2 towards the golden pocket. And when it gets to the golden pocket, we're going to see major retracement back. I don't know how far it will go, but we're going to see rejection from this area here. And this is going to affect so many other low, like medium cap altcoins. And also, I want you to focus on this, because I think most of you who are part of my community, you are trading really low cap coins. So this is the chart for really low cap coins. That's all the coins out there, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's total 3. We still have a long way to the upside. We still have towards this golden pocket and towards the all-time high. So if price is able to break and stay above this golden pocket, I'm going to add more. But I want to see price break first, come there and retest it, hold it. That's when I want to keep on buying more of those low altcoins, because I know that maybe they're gonna take those altcoins to form the next higher highs, and I think maybe they can take back these altcoins towards 1.1 trillion or 1.2 trillion market cap, which is going to be great for those who are investing in those altcoins. You're going to see a massive altcoin move soon. So I look at all this to help me stay in the market, get out of the market, and that's why I confidently go right now and I research coins that I can get in, coins that haven't yet pumped. And because I know that looking at this indicator, the Fibonacci retracement tool, that is always respected by by price, in all sectors. I believe that when price get there, I'm gonna at least take out major profit. Then when price keep on going on up to the upside, I can add more. So, but guys, you must not know everything at once. That's why I recommend you to keep watching my live shows. I'm gonna do my possible best to help you get all of this, understand all this, all what you can find on my chat here are very important. I use all of this stuff, and more that I haven't mentioned to you guys, but it's very important. Not that they help me to place a trade, but they help me to understand which trend the market is and which areas that the market is gonna bounce from or reject from. So that's the main reason why I focus on all this. I know not every trader is not use this or investor, but this is how I have developed my skills in this industry, and that's helped me a lot. So maybe it can help you a lot to do the same. All right, guys, I'm not gonna take so much time, so much of your time. I want to call this a go for today, and see you guys tomorrow, same time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends if say you love it and you want them to also learn from such an amazing content that will help them put much money in their pockets. I will say that, guys. See you the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.